I'm at the launch of the HP Z Ultra, and we're just having a bit of an exclusive product viewing before we kick off with the all the festivities. But I'm with Mindy Lee. She's the, what's your title again, Mindy?
I'm the AU Enterprise Analyst.
And what are you showing us here today?
Basically, it's just showing you a heavy Excel spreadsheet along with a Power BI.
Sure.
And it's just showcasing the speed at which this current unit runs compared to what I would be using currently.
Sure.
The runtime on this is just seamless. My workload has probably been cut down significantly. What would normally take an hour to run on a regular notebook takes me about 10 minutes.
Well, that's a significant increase in speed. Yeah.
Yep.
And this is this the new Z Ultra here that we're seeing?
That is.
Yeah. Now we're going to see all the details, so I recommend people watch. But can you? Is there a demo that you're showing?
Not at this stage. So I mean, as you can see up here, this is the spreadsheet. It's got multiple markets. You know, click on this. Instant.
Yeah.
On any other regular notebook, something like that would render for a long time before I could even do that.
Thank you, Mindy, for your time.
Thank you so much.